Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see unsent message on Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Messenger and click on the three bars on the top left. From here you need to click on the gear icon and scroll down and click on notification and sound. So you simply need to turn on all the notifications. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone, and here you need to click on notification centers and click on more settings, and from here you need to allow notification icons on status bar. So once you done that, after that you are able to see the messages. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.